And now he's rolling out.
There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, here's Mike Tryggvason in the Extra 330 LC. He's going to come down, and in just a moment we will see him put the Extra 330 to the max. As he pulls vertical, keep your eye as he begins to roll. And he's going to transition into a flat spin. Take a look, hanging upside down right now. Coming back around. This is when the world starts looking really big, really fast. The Extra 330 LC he's flying today is the pinnacle of modern aerobatic aircraft. And he's here today to share a passion for aviation with you.
Don't know where your mind is headed, but you better off without it. Inside down, upside down.
Mike's home base is in Ontario, Canada, and some of you are waiting. And so, a new project is on the horizon, and he's grateful for the opportunity to demonstrate the aerobatic performance of this Extra 330 LC today.
Did someone die inside? No, don't stop, can't stop, it's like a freight train. Don't stop, can't stop, till you feel like you're down. Don't know where your eyes are, but they're not doing what you said.
Mike comes from a flying family. His dad was one of the first Canadian astronauts selected while the program was still a figment of the National Research Council. Carrying on the family tradition, his passion for aviation began at a very young age. Until years later, in the early 2000s, he achieved his pilot's license at the young age of 18.
All of themselves that you tried, wasn't one of them good enough?
Even dry on his new license. After years of dedication and hard work, he's able to share that passion which drove him to a pinnacle of aviation, high performance aerobatics.
It's just a habit that generation you can't break. Outside out, inside out.
Coming back through the smoke. Having been in aviation for almost 20 years, Mike wants you to know that knowledge is the single most important key to achieving your dreams. So if your dream is to tumble an extra through the sky, like Mike's doing for us today, take on learning like it's your job. Now, besides air shows, Mike is an airline pilot for a major Canadian carrier flying the Boeing 737. It's the best day job a licensed pilot can have. Not only a pilot, not only an air show, a competition, an airline pilot, he is also a mechanical engineer by training, which comes in very handy if you are in the aviation business. Having that mechanical background is crucial and critical. Otherwise, find yourself some mechanic friends. Gratitude for what they bring to an air show and the expertise in the position, absolutely incredible. And Mike is certainly one of them. Ladies and gentlemen, have your cameras ready. I think Mike's going to give us a couple photo passes, so stand up. He's going to do it upside down. Give him a wave, ladies and gentlemen. He can see you. We can see him. Those of you at home, he's giving us a big wave. It's absolutely incredible. Stomping on the rudder pedal, one of my favorite aerobatic maneuvers. We call that the hammerhead. I'm going gonna have to tell Mike later on. Thank you for putting the hammerhead at the very end of the show. Again, one of my first aerobatic maneuvers that I learned about, and it instantly became my favorite.